How do you pronounce the name of this? Fashion designer Elsa, a surname from Italian. Schiaparelli, in French it's said as Schiaparelli. In English, Elsa Schiaparelli. How do you pronounce the name of this? Fashion designer Elsa, a surname from Italian. Schiaparelli, in French it's said as Schiaparelli. In English, Elsa Schiaparelli. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.